Hey guys, I'm Kyo from Japan. Today, I enjoy the mochi sweets that are easy to make. Only 4 ingredients I use today. 300 grams of soy milk, 2 tablespoons of potato starch, soybean flour, and sugar. First, add soy milk in the frying pan. Next is potato starch. Mix thoroughly with a rubber spatula. When the potato starch dissolved in the soy milk, turn on the heat. Keep mixing with rubber spatula while heating. When the soy milk starts to solidify in place, increase the mixing speed. When the soy milk becomes elastic and hardened, remove the frying pan from the heat. In addition, mix the soy milk mochi with a rubber spatula and cool it down. Prepare toppings. Put the soybean flour and sugar in a bowl. Scoop your desired amount of soy milk mochi with a spoon and add it to the bowl of soybean flour. Add soybean flour to the surface of the mochi. Finally, drizzle with a sweet syrup of your choice. Soy milk mochi that can be easily made is completed. The soy milk mochi I introduced today is my original recipe. You can enjoy Japanese mochi very easily. In addition to soybean flour, you can also enjoy toppings such as red bean paste or soy sauce and blah blah. Please try it.
Thank you for your viewing. How was my original mochi? Don't you think it's so easy? Please try it. If you enjoyed this video, please check my YouTube channel and tap like button. I'm looking forward to your comments. See you next week. Bye!